Are you digging out, stretching out prior to playing volleyball?
Oh no, what can you do about it?
So take a spiky roller,
Yeah.
the rumble roller, and you roll out the hammy real good, and you'll find little knots in there behind the knee. And by loosening up all these muscle insertions before you play, especially right there in your hammy, you can feel that bad boy. And then do a long hamstring hold of a stretch. How about this? Before we do any physical, we first roll out. Think of dough. You don't just stretch dough. You knead out the knots in dough first, and then you stretch the dough. If you stretch muscles and use muscles without kneading them out first, you'll tend to irritate things that you might have strained like you did in your knee. But you're going to find behind your knee a lot of swelling and tight muscles. That's where you're going to put your other leg on top. You'll put your left leg on top of your right. And then you'll have a little extra weight, and then you kind of wiggle left and right, and you work from behind your hamstring all the way down behind your knee, all the way into your calf, and you loosen everything up. Then you do the calf stretch and the hamstring stretch, and you hold it. Then go use it. Go play. Then when you come back, I'd stretch it back out a little bit, or just keep it stretched as you're playing on it. And then when you come home, ice that bad boy all out.
Do I ice the behind the knee?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the top of the knee is really the patella, and there's no, or the kneecap. So then you'll find that all in your quad, you know what I mean? All through in the front. You're gonna find a lot of scar tissue all in there. You rolled out the back of the leg, now roll out the front of the leg. You'll get a lot of relief. I'll spend between 20 minutes to an hour a day doing it. Now when you breathe in your belly, it's gotta be low and slow. You gotta make sure it's decompressing your lumbar spine. You get 20,000 breaths a day. You're not gonna focus on that belly decompression of the lumbar. You're not feeding the joints and the discs here. You get stuck sitting a little too much. The pounds per square inch is 1,500 pounds per square inch when you sit. Are you standing at work now? You booger. If I had your money, I would burn mine. What? Buy a stand-up desk on Facebook Marketplace. It's silly. All right, shake my hand on it. My boy. Asking you shall receive. Breathe low in your belly. Kegel and glute. Get your lat down on the sides. So that's why you would roll all this out? Yes. You know why? Because it's loosening up. Your tissue is getting the blood pumped through it, right? Then it loosens up. But there's also a risk that if it doesn't loosen up and you do a sudden quick movement because it's so wound tight that you could tear it. And you don't want to tear a hammy. I've partially torn one and that wasn't fun. And I tore it stretching it cold. I felt something slightly pop. I was like, the next day it was all bruised. And
that's why I thought you start with movement first and then you stretch it.
you can light movement like you were talking about, but then you get into the deep tissue. The light rolling, start superficial, then go medium, and then finish with deep. Breathe in the pelvis. Let all out. Really good breath. Keep going. All the way out. Listen. I moved. Breathe easy. All the way out. Listen. Breathe low. All the way out. Loosen. Yep. Ooh, I got that. Loose. Let go. Good stuff.
Yeah, I'm still rolling out, still doing.
I like that it's keeping you loose. Breathe low. All the way out. Loosen. Ah, there we go. Breathe low. All the way out. Yep.
Ooh.
Love it.
Look at that. Boy, I enjoy that.
Yes, sir. We're going to do a leg pull. Easy. Good. All right, breathe. Let out. Loosen up. Yep. I move.
Oh, yeah.
Breathe and squeeze. Go to the other side. To me, it's just like two bears wrestling, you know? Oh, you're a lot of mass. Let it go. Lift this knee high. Nope. Let's get in front. Yep. Now breathe. Good. Now guide the knee higher. Yeah, let go. Oh, wowzer. He can do his job well today, people. Come back to me a little bit. Slide down an inch. Perfect.